Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Here I will be sharing simple and easy Indian engagement makeup tutorial. I'm not using any foundation today, so it's perfect for this summer season. First I will be applying primer to my clean face. I'm taking little amount of this inside primer and applying this under my eyes, around my mouth and near my nose and on my eyelid. Next I'm using this Color Bar concealer stick and applying it under my eyes and on top of my blemishes or on any dark spots. I'm spot correcting wherever I need little coverage. Blending everything really well with my damp beauty blender. Now with the puffy powder brush, I will set this concealer and keep it in place by using Maybelline Compact Powder. Filling my eyebrows. Eyebrows defines our face and gives definition to our face, so it's very important to fill them and give them a nice shape. So I'm going to fill them in by using Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I'm lightly filling any gaps. Moving on to eye makeup, first I will be using Wet n Wild palette. I will pick up this dark brown shade from the palette and apply this into my crease as a transition shade. And later on I will blend and smoothen the edges. For my eyelid, I will be applying this gold shade from the Maybelline Nudes palette. This makeup goes with any color Indian outfit or sari. If you want, you can change your lip color according to your sari matching color. Now I am drawing very thin line on my upper lash line by using Wet n Wild liquid liner. Next I am tightening my waterline by using Nika's Kohl pencil. Curling my lashes and applying generous coats of mascara to my both upper and lower lashes by using Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. Here I am applying blush to my cheeks. This is a cream blush from Maybelline. Here I am highlighting my face, highlighting highest points of my face by using Revlon highlighter. This adds instant glow to my face and I totally love it. Lastly, I am applying MAC Ruby Woo lipstick to my lips. And I got ready, and this is how my makeup turned out. Hope you liked this video. If you did, then do subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.